Alright, so we're back again for another YouTube video, and I just want to let you guys know that shout out to Lacey A on YouTube. Thank you for giving me a shout out. I greatly appreciate it. If you guys want to go subscribe to her, I will leave her YouTube link in my description. I don't know why I can't speak today. Apparently it's like 11 in the morning, but we have the ramp here. It does need maintenance at the moment, but today's video isn't really going to be more of a riding video. It's going to be more of like a scooter hack style video, just so you guys know. It's probably going to be a bit of a shorter video, probably like a 5-minute video. I just want to let you guys know that before we get in today's video. But let's get right into today's video. Cue the intro. Alright, so today's scooter hack video is a little bit different. Usually I don't do scooter hack videos, so I believe this is my first scooter hack video. But, so, let's say you get a really nice new scooter, and you don't want to scratch it, but accidentally you scratch the deck, like mine. So I have the NV Prodigy SA 2021 edition in Nebula. By the way, I'm probably going to get another scooter soon. What I mean by that is just like as backup, because sometimes it's nice to have a spare scooter. Don't be like, oh, Tristan, you're so spoiled. It's because we had extra money from Christmas, because my there wasn't much communication, so I accidentally got 2 TVs, so we're selling it. I was gonna buy a deck, but then I was like, I go through scooter parts relatively quickly, so I might as well just buy another complete. I'm gonna get the retro one, just so you guys know. I'm probably gonna get it around next weekend. But anyways, I have the Nebula one, and it's a pretty beautiful scooter. Yeah, I'll give you a quick rundown here. There you go. So yeah, when I first got this, I was like, I do not want to scratch this thing. This thing is so sick. So basically, I'm gonna show you how to eliminate the scratches. Hopefully, you guys can see me right now. I'm like multitasking right now. So yeah, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of those scratches on the bottom of your deck from either doing grinds or anything. Just want to let you know that this should work with all scooters, but for this, I'm using more of a darker color scooter. It usually works best with like a matte black or a shiny black scooter. With this scooter, it's a color shifting paint that color shifts from green to purple or purple to green. So I just want to let you guys know that. So yeah, let's get started with the tutorial. Alright, so you have your scooter here, and so basically all you're going to need for this hack is your scooter deck. Again, preferably a darker color scooter deck. I have the Nebula deck here, which is a pretty dark scooter deck. Hold on, let's get this back a little bit so you guys can see it a bit better. As you can see, there are scratches here. Don't mind this. This is like duct tape or something. So all you're gonna need for this hack is a Sharpie or any permanent marker. Darker one works a bit better. So hold on, I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see just a little bit better. Alright, so I just had to move the camera forward a little bit. So as you can see, there are scratches here. We got our Sharpie here. Hopefully you guys can see this. My camera work isn't the greatest. So we have our scratches here. Basically what you're gonna do is just, get your marker working. This might not work for me because this marker's kind of dead. But basically, hold on, I'm gonna take my hat off for a second so you guys don't see my big dome. And then just kind of draw over the scratches like that until they're covered up. Then you're just gonna wait a second for it to dry a little bit, and then just kind of blend it with your finger. If you don't want to blend it with your finger, you can use like a paper towel or whatever. You got like some scratches here. Just kind of draw those and then just rub it. And that's basically pretty much how you do this hack. Yes, I know it was a shorter video, as I stated earlier, but I hope you guys still enjoyed it. But anyways, if you guys like videos like these, or you want more videos like this, like hack videos or tutorials, I will give them to you. Just let me know what you guys want, and just comment them down below. Also, if you guys could subscribe and get this video to probably, let's do 15 likes. Also, I appreciate you guys blowing up last video. You guys got that to 700 views in a little bit over 24 hours, so I'd greatly appreciate that. Also, if you guys could turn on the notification bell to get notified every time I post a video, I would also appreciate that. But anyways, I'm out for today. I don't necessarily know what I'm going to do for the rest of the day. Maybe film another video, but hope you guys enjoy. Hopefully I can get more on a regular schedule. But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Later.